Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SendGrid API integration in Express, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a new directory for your project. Navigate into that directory using the terminal. Initialize a new node.js project with npm init. Install the Express framework using npm install express. Next, install the SendGrid package using npm install at sendgrid/mail. Create a new file named app.js in your project directory. Open app.js in your code editor. Import Express by adding const express equals require express. Import SendGrid by adding const sgmail equals require at sendgrid/mail. Set up your Express app by adding const app equals express. Configure SendGrid by setting the API key. You can do this using sgmail.setAPI your_SendGrid_API key. Make sure to replace your _SendGrid_API key with your actual SendGrid API key. To handle post requests, use app.use express.json. Define a route for sending emails with app.post/send req res equals. Inside this route, extract email details from the request body. Use destructuring to get to subject and text from req.body. Create the message object using these details. The message object should include to, from, subject, and text. Send the email using sgmail.send message. Handle success and errors with a promise. Return a status of 200 for successful emails. For errors, return a status of 400 with the error message. Finally, start the server by adding app.listen 3000 equals console.log server started on port 3000. Now, open your terminal and run the app using Node.app.js. Use a tool like Postman to test the /send endpoint. Make sure to specify the email details in your request body. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.